Experiencing cellular connection problems on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Many users have reported issues with 5G LTE drops and eSIM activation. These problems often stem from the upgraded Snapdragon X75 modem, which boosts speeds but can cause compatibility issues. First, ensure you're running iOS 18.1 or later, as this version includes vital bug fixes. A quick fix is to toggle airplane mode on and off or restart your iPhone. If problems persist, head to Settings, General, About, and check for a carrier settings update. Installing the latest carrier update can resolve many common connectivity glitches. If that doesn't work, move on to the next section for more in-depth solutions. If basic troubleshooting fails, a network reset is your next best bet. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and finally select Reset Network Settings. For eSIM activation problems, try deleting the eSIM profile. Go to Settings, then Cellular, select your eSIM plan, and tap Delete eSIM. After deleting, re-add the eSIM by choosing Setup Cellular and scanning the QR code provided by your carrier. For persistent problems, manually enter APN settings in Cellular. Contact your carrier for the correct APN information. If issues persist, back up your data and perform a DFU restore to fix software-related modem problems. For hardware defects, contact Apple support.